Hi! In this video, I will show you how to create Slackbots using Zapier Central. Now that we deprecated the native Slack integration, I will try to create a workaround on how to create Slackbots within Zapier Central. So to start with, you have to create a new Slack channel. In my case, I will call it Slackbot demo. It will be public. And now I will go back to Central and I will create a new assistant. I will call it Slack demo. And here my goal is to try to replicate how the Slackbots used to work. And to achieve that, I will create a behavior. And as a trigger, we are going to give a Slack trigger to respond to any new message that is posted to that specific channel that we set as our Slackbot channel. So in this case, we're going to choose new message posted to channel. And I will pick the channel that we just created. Perfect. Now, in the instructions of that workflow, I want to tell to my bot that you are a Slack personal assistant and your job is to reply to each user message and do your best of your abilities to answer the request, because sometimes you might ask random GPT questions, but some other times you might have a specific workflow in your mind. In this case, we're going to use Google Sheet as a data source, like my original demo on how to use the Slackbots. So we can also have a database for our automation. So it is very important to put that always reply to a message only in a Slack thread. So the bot is going to reply to every message that we are going to send in a thread, and that way we can have threaded discussions. And that's something optional. You can do it. I added it just to make the experience better. So before the bot takes an action, I ask it to inform us about it with a new message. So like I'm working on it, like a placeholder waiting message. To be able to respond to a message, we need to give an action for sending a message to a channel. And that's important, we need to give the action to retrieving all the messages of a thread. That way the bot can have a context of what we are talking about if the thread is a little longer. Retrieve thread messages, that's the action. And finally, I will add a data source, this one, and we're ready. I turn on the assistant and I go back to Slack so we see if it works. So I will send a message to my bot saying, show me the last 5 leads, and also, and include the plan name with every record, and also format the date in a user-friendly format. So what happens now is that our Zapier Central Assistant will pick up this message and will start running the workflow, the behavior in the background, you see, already replied. And this is because we added the extra step to inform us what it's going to do. And now it says that I am retrieving the last 5 leads, including the plan name and every record, blah, 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 blah. Please hold. So the next message should be the bot that's showing us the leads. And this is me now talking to this channel, but any user can post a message here and the bot can reply in a thread with serving the request. And here you can see that it came back, it formatted the date in a user-friendly way, also included the plan name, and I have whatever I asked. I can reply back to the assistant within the thread, but this is it. I will finish the demo, and I hope you are going to build great Slackbots alternatives. Bye.